Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into the best tips and tricks for living a healthy lifestyle. Today we're going to talk about a delicious and creamy fruit that's not just trendy but can actually help you shed those extra pounds. Yep, I'm talking about avocados. Avocados are often praised for their rich taste and versatility. But did you know they can also be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey? Let's explore how avocados can help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. First up, healthy fats. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats your body needs. These fats help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods between meals. Next, let's talk about fiber. Avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with about 10 grams in just one medium-sized avocado. Fiber is key for weight loss because it slows down digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer. Benefit 3, nutrient density. Another reason avocados are great for weight loss is their nutrient density. Avocados are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all while being relatively low in calories. This means you're getting a ton of nutrition without overloading on calories. Benefit 4, boosts metabolism. Here's a cool fact: the healthy fats in avocados can actually boost your metabolism. Monounsaturated fats have been shown to increase the rate at which your body burns calories, even while at rest. Benefit 5, reduces belly fat. And lastly, studies have shown that the monounsaturated fats in avocados may help reduce belly fat, which is not only great for your appearance, but also for your overall health. So, there you have it. 5 amazing ways avocados can help you lose weight. Whether you're adding them to your salad, spreading them on toast, or blending them into a smoothie, avocados are a delicious and nutritious addition to your weight loss plan. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthy, happy you.